Hey guys, Danny here. Today I'm reviewing a RC truck. This was sent to me by GearBest for review. If you'd like to pick up this product, of course I'll put a link down in the description for you. This is a 6-wheel drive RC truck. It supposedly has a 20-minute runtime. I quite like the look of this. It's very cool, obviously based off of a military design. It does also have a simulated drivetrain. It does not have proportional steering, which is a little bit disappointing, but I'll be showing you this later on. For the price point that this truck is at, which is about £50 at the time of shooting this video, I don't think the quality of the actual truck is too bad. You can see the little battery compartment here. We get a 700 milliamp hour battery. Hopefully this should give us a decent runtime. We also get a USB charger, of course. And let's take a look at the controller. The controller does feel a little bit cheap in the hand and a little bit light, but it did perform okay. Bear in mind this doesn't have proportional steering. The wheel does turn and then it kind of flicks back to the original position. It takes 2 AA batteries. Now let's take a look at the simulated drivetrain. You can see this is 6-wheel drive, so all wheels are turning, and I'll show you the steering as well. This truck is very similar to some other RC trucks that I reviewed not too long ago on my channel. Because of its simulated drivetrain, it does suffer with a few problems. Those being, if you try and drive this in slightly long grass, it doesn't really have a lot of power, so it can struggle quite easily. Also, because you have the train underneath spinning, if you get anything caught in this, or for example if you drive over some large twigs or anything like that, it can easily get caught up and the truck can't move. So it's not very useful there, but it is cool to know it's underneath the truck working away. The truck does have a decent top speed. On the controller there is a speed setting you can use, but I didn't really find this made much of a difference. You can hear a slight change in the noise of the acceleration when you use this speed setting, but overall the truck's actual speed while it was driving didn't really seem to change that much. I got about a 15-minute runtime, which isn't too bad. It's a whole 5 minutes under the time specified for this truck, which is a little bit annoying. But you may get a slightly different drive time depending how hard you're pushing the truck and what type of terrain and environment you're driving it on. You can see it struggles in the long grass there, as I said, but it is still quite cool to drive. It's not a bad price for what you're getting, so overall I think the truck is decent and I didn't have any problems with it. I took it to about a 20-meter range and it still performed pretty well, so the range was okay too. For the price point that this truck's at, I don't feel you're getting a bad deal. The controller does feel a little bit cheap in the hand, and it would be nice if the truck had a little bit more power, but it does have a decent battery time, so you can have a decent amount of fun with this before the battery runs out. So I don't really think this is a bad deal if you're thinking of picking this up. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for more videos like this one, and of course I will see you in the next one.